So the car I have with me today is not your regular BMW 3 Series. It's not the BMW 3 Series Gran Coupe either, as that model has been discontinued globally. Now given its length, you might think it's the 5 Series, which it is not. The car I have with me is the new BMW Gran Limousine, which is actually an extended wheelbase version of the 3 Series. Let's have a detailed look at it.
The thing with the 3 Series Gran Limousine's design is that it resembles the regular 3 Series to the core, barring the increased wheelbase to enhance the cabin space. The 3 Series Limo gets 110mm longer wheelbase, which makes it the longest sedan in its segment and is just 171mm shy of being a 5-meter sedan. A height of 1463mm gives it a low slung stance. The rest of the elements are mostly the same. At the front is the large BMW kidney grille, enclosed in chrome surrounding and gets vertical chrome slats as well. Then is the BMW twin LED headlights with DRLs. The front also gets chrome surrounded horizontal T-shaped air intakes to add sporty touch. At the side is the elongated wheelbase, and all of 110mm are added to the rear doors for easy in and out of the sedan. A couple of body lines adds to the length, while 17-inch V-shape alloys look classy. The rear gets a rich looking profile thanks to the dual chrome mufflers, large wraparound tail lamps, horizontal T elements and spoiler mimicking boot. Moving inside the cabin, since the biggest change is the legroom, we will start by talking about rear seats.
Now, while I'm someone who loves to drive a car myself, especially when it's a BMW, sitting at the rear seat of the limousine makes me realize it's not a bad place either, thanks to an extended wheelbase of 110mm that has generated an additional more than 40mm of legroom.
The seats both at the front and back offer sumptuous cushioning and adds to the luxury touch thanks to the Vernesca leather upholstery. The airy cabin with panoramic sunroof gives a sense of relaxed environment when sitting at the rear seat, a target audience BMW is looking to tap. Feature-wise, the 3 Series Gran Limousine gets ambient lighting, 3-zone climate control, a 12-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch centrally mounted touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, among others. The two-tone cabin with aluminium brushed elements add to the finish, while the storage spaces are ample to keep your stuff. Boot space is rated at 480 liters.
Now, BMW is offering the 3 Series Gran Limousine with two engine options, both twin-turbo 2-liter engines, a petrol engine producing 258 bhp and 400 Nm of torque, and a diesel engine producing 190 bhp and 400 Nm of torque. Both these engines are mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox.
Now, the model we got for our test drive run was a 320 LD powered by a diesel engine, and I absolutely love driving it, like I have been enjoying all the BMW cars of late. While I initially felt that the increased length has reduced some amount of driving fun from this limo version as compared to the regular 3 Series, this car grows on you slowly. The BMW 3 Series Gran Limo behaves in a very posh way if driven accordingly. However, there are driving modes like Eco, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus to fiddle around and change your driving dynamics on touch of a button. The ride quality is supreme and you hardly notice any external ambience creep inside the cabin. The suspension is on a softer side to soak in most of the bumps and give you a plush ride quality. The steering, as usual, offers a balanced handling. Safety-wise, the BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine gets 6 airbags, attentiveness assistance, ABS with brake assist, dynamic stability control including dynamic traction control, cornering brake control, among others.
So the BMW 3 Series Gran Limousine makes a perfect case for anyone looking to buy a luxury car with loads of cabin space and comfort but don't want to spend as much money on the 5 Series. Also, being a Beamer means you get the driving fun if you are willing to switch the seat occasionally with your chauffeur. So to conclude, it's a perfect front and rear seat car.